This is the final video to solve lost game stats and data progress after Roblox username change. Because I also faced the same issue and tested lots of ways, but finally found multiple methods to solve lost game stats and data progress after Roblox username change, and I am going to share them with you. The first method addresses the core issue of data association. When you change your username, the system might temporarily link your saved progress from the new identifier. This fix involves re-establishing that link by accessing your account settings and specifically refreshing or confirming your username to ensure the server recognizes the updated association, which effectively re-syncs your historical data. Method 2 targets potential caching discrepancies. Your device or the platform servers might be holding on to old data caches that don't reflect your new username. Clearing these caches forces the system to retrieve the most current information, thereby loading your correct game stats and progress. The third approach is a verification step that confirms account integrity. Sometimes changes can trigger a temporary data integrity check by the platform, and manually verifying your account through a confirmation email or security prompt ensures all your data is validated and accessible under the new username. Finally, method 4 involves a direct platform support interaction, which acts as a protocol reset. If the automated systems fail, contacting Roblox support initiates a manual data retrieval and re-linking process, directly resolving any server-side discrepancies or errors that prevent your progress from displaying correctly.